Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I'm here to share two sets of tags that I made this morning for Saturday Morning Makes. And Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jill Norwood. I'll have her link down below if you want to go check her out. She's awesome. I think everybody here knows Jill. So let me share what I created for my tags. This year has been really great. I feel really good. So I wanted to show you all the items that I used. I used this old Sizzix die from Stampin' Up. It's called the Top Note die. And this is the paper cutout you would cut out for your top note. I added it to there. And I used this die. It's an unknown AliExpress die. This is a lacy spellbinders. No, I think it's this. Yeah, it's the Lifestyle Crafts lacy nesting lacy rectangles. I have that. I used this die. I only used this and that. I did not use this. Oops. I used, did I use this paper pad? No, I did not. No, I used this paper pad from Michael's this year, and I got this on sale. I used some buttons from my stash, and also use this die, but it's not part of my tags, but I did cut them out and I'll show you what they look like. And it's an I think it's an AliExpress die. Okay, so here are my tags. So this one I'm going to call my figgy pudding. My figgy pudding die or tag this year. And here is some wooden veneers or wooden shapes from my stash. Here's my finger bow and then more of that same ribbon. I cut out the layering. There's the pattern paper. This is from this punch. I had punched out a whole bunch of these, so I wanted to use them on some projects. So I did that one, and then I also did this one. And then I also did some paint splatter on here as well. So I think I'm going to spray it with some glitter so it will look shimmery. We'll see how it goes. Okay, and then this one is my 6. Yeah, I am on my 6 tag, and this is a top note die. This is a pack of the Santas from Hobby Lobby. I used some vintage. I don't think this is vintage. I think this is just lace from my stash. I used this stamp. I don't know where I got it from. I want to say it was from it doesn't say. I don't know if I got this from Target or way back when, because I don't go to Target anymore. Here is an old eyelet, a snowflake eyelet from my stash. It was in my corner chomper. It was a pack of eyelets, and these are the last 2 that I used. I inked the edges of my top note, added a twine and a green button, and I just love how is that. No, that's part of the twine. But I love how these turned out. It's so cute. And then here is another one that I made. I just love it. So I just want to thank everybody for watching. And these are my tags so far. And these are for Saturday morning weeks. So thanks everybody for watching. Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope everybody is enjoying the holiday. I just got back from DC. We walked around looking at the lights and the sights. It's like a tradition we do with the kids. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend and Merry Christmas to you all. Bye now.